So once your phone is open like this, slide up, click phone. After clicking phone, you can see this three dots by the top right of your screen. Click it. Click settings. Now look down here, supplementary services. You can see the show caller ID. You can see it, show caller ID, call forwarding, call bearing, call waiting. Click show caller ID. You can see network defaults. Click hide number. After hiding it, click it again. Now click show number if you want to disable it. That is how it is. Now click it again. Click caller ID. You can use network default. That is how to do it. It is very simple like that. It is as simple as that. Go back. Click it to go back. So that is how to hide your number or to show private number on Samsung. Thank you for watching.